Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Docs, Google. Com and sign in with your Google account. Use your existing Gmail address or create one quickly. Click New or select blank to start a fresh document. Choose a template to speed common tasks like resumes and reports. Name your document at the top left to autosave with clarity. Use Ctrl+N to open a new browser window or Ctrl+T for a new tab. Keep a clear folder structure in Drive for easy retrieval later. Type directly into the document to see live formatting and autosave in Drive. Use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste quickly, preserving basic formatting. Highlight text, then use the toolbar to change font, size, color, and alignment. Click Insert to add images, tables, links, and page numbers. Click Share, add emails, and set viewer, commenter, or editor permissions for each collaborator. Use Suggesting Mode to propose edits that collaborators can accept or reject. Organize documents in Drive using folders, colors, and star flags for priority. Use File Download to export as PDF, Word, or plain text when sharing outside Google. Select File, make a copy to duplicate templates, or preserve originals before major edits. Turn on offline mode in Google Drive settings to edit without internet and sync when you reconnect. Open version history to restore edits and view who changed content by date and time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.